How's it going, guys? My name is Logan Aviation, and welcome to another trip report on the channel. And I have just arrived at Minneapolis International Airport from Duluth, and now I have to catch a flight from Minneapolis to Chicago. This Delta flight is operated by an Airbus A319 that was originally owned by Northwest Airlines. Let's get right into it. During the COVID-19 pandemic, airlines board from back to front to avoid socializing with other passengers on the way to your seat. If you have a Sky Priority Pass, you are allowed to board first. The first class cabin is in a 2-2 configuration, and my seat today is 2D. Each seat in the first class cabin comes with an 11-inch IFE screen, a futuristic overhead panel, and power outlets in front of you. On the left side of the seat, you'll find a cup holder with an extension tray. Delta Airlines is known to have an industry low for legroom. With this seat only having 36 inches of legroom, that is an all-time low compared to other airlines. When it comes to Delta's in-flight entertainment system, they have a lot of details like seat description, flight information, flight tracking, live TV, and movies. Eventually, we started our pushback and taxi to the runway, where we had to stop for 20 minutes and turn off the engines. The flight attendants allowed us to turn off airplane mode if we chose to use our cellular data, although I was fine because I bought the Delta Wi-Fi Pass, which works on the ground and in the air. Just about 13 minutes later, we continued our taxi to the runway. At this time, I would like to give a special shout out to someone who made this takeoff 10 times better. This shout out goes to my new friend First Experiences, Aviation and Travel. His channel link will be in the description. Go subscribe to him, he is amazing. And thank you for capturing this takeoff. Once we reached our cruising altitude, the flight attendants passed out a snack bag containing napkins, hand sanitizer, Cheez-Its, a Kind bar, and a water bottle. And this is perfectly fair enough for this small flight. I really love Delta's in-flight entertainment. It is very responsive, fully functional, and smooth. One thing I really love is the moving map. I personally don't think I've ever seen a laboratory this clean before. A few minutes later, we started our initial descent. I can certainly say that I love Delta and will be flying them again sometime soon, although I have a few other plans in mind for now. Unfortunately, my time with Delta is done for now, but I plan to visit them in the near future. If you guys want to know when I upload a new video, feel free to subscribe and turn on post notifications to know when I upload a new video. With that being said, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.